Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get helicopter token in Heartopia game for the Beaver Cup Build challenge. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the helicopter token, you can complete your daily quest. I'm going to open up this menu. Okay, and as you can see here, you can obtain the helicopter token by completing the quest. And I've already completed one of the quests for today, this one. Alright, and you can see the information here. At the limited terminal, participants can spend helicopter tokens to take a helicopter ride straight to the gallery and check out other players' work. I think this is for the next phase of the Beaver Cup Build challenge. Okay, there will be exhibition phase and also the judging phase. We can use the token to use the helicopter. Okay, let me click on this information one more time. Okay, we can take a ride. We can take a helicopter ride straight to the gallery. Yeah, I think it's for the exhibition phase. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the helicopter token in Heartopia for the Beaver Cup Build challenge. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!